Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So in today's video, we will be talking about can you keep succulents at your workplace or your work table? Absolutely guys, you can definitely keep your succulents in your office or at your workplace, provided the most important thing, and that is the light requirement. Now, watering is not going to be much of an issue. The environment is not going to be much of an issue as long as there is a good amount of light. Now, the best thing, or I would say you would be lucky enough if your work desk is closer to the window like this. If you have a space wherein either you have clear glass or you have tinted glass, as long as there is light that passes through and falls on your succulent, it's absolutely okay. Or if you tend to receive indirect bright light, it's absolutely fine. You can keep your succulents over there. But again, you cannot keep your succulents, like let's say that your work table is right in the center and there is not much light apart from the regular ambient light. That is not going to work out really well. Your succulent will start to stretch. So probably you'll have to find a spot where there is a window with a small little pavement wherein you can keep your succulent, because light is the most important thing. You can definitely grow succulents in the office as well. The air circulation is going to be a little less. That is not an issue, but you'll have to take care of the watering, which again you will be able to handle that. But light is the most important thing, which you will have to take care, because if there is lack of light, the succulent will start to stretch at your workplace or in your work desk. It will start to stretch. So if you have any place or a spot that looks like this, wherein let's say even if the windows are slightly open, there could be a good amount of airflow, but the light is the most essential thing. So if you have a spot like this, you can definitely keep your succulent at workplace as well. Now, please don't go according to a lot of websites. They will be like, oh, you can gift this succulent, you can keep it at your work desk, there is no issue, succulents are indoor. Please do not fall for that, because the whole idea for them is to just sell their product. They don't even care whether the succulent is going to survive or not later on. For them, it's all about just selling their product. So be very careful. So all these websites that you see online will advertise succulents as indoor plants. So please be careful. Succulents are not indoor plants unless you have a good quality of grow light. They will just do this because they want to sell their products. They will tag it as indoor plants. They will tag it as your office desk plants. They just don't care about it, because a lot of times I've seen these websites don't even put up the correct labels on the succulents. Forget about the ID. They don't even know the genus of the succulent. They randomly paste anything on the succulent. As you all know how important it is to know the genus of the succulents, because according to that you will be able to give care for your succulent. So they will just randomly label anything and everything. They will put the labels as indoor plants for succulents. And a lot of people who really love plants, they want something next to their work table. Probably they get a little bit relaxed, they feel a little motivated when they have plants around. Let's say that this particular plant that you're seeing on the video was on the work table, and trust me, even if you have a lot of stress at work, you're going to look at the succulent and you're going to feel very refreshed. When you tend to see a very healthy and vibrant plant, you are going to feel very refreshed and relaxed. But imagine if you are going to keep a succulent that does not get a lot of light, you're basically torturing it for light, and due to lack of light, the plant will start turning stretchy and it will start looking ugly. I'm not very sure if that's going to motivate you. Probably that's going to even upset you even more when you're going to see a succulent like that. I'm not sure about others, but definitely if I happen to see my succulent getting stretched and look very ugly, I will definitely be very depressed at workplace looking at the succulent. Rather than getting motivated, I will be even more depressed looking at the succulent dying. So just be very careful. All you need to do is have the right information and knowledge about succulents, give them the adequate amount of light that they require, and trust me, they are going to work out really well. But as I said, light is the most important part. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.